In this video, I'm going to be flying the brand new DJI Neo to demonstrate all the smart flight modes built into this drone that you can use to capture some absolutely awesome footage. I'm going to show you exactly how all of them operate and how you can adjust them in the DJI Fly app to your choosing to get the perfect shot that you want. So let's get into it. Now, if you didn't realize already, in the intro to this video, I have actually been using the DJI Fly app with the DJI Neo's direction track feature, where basically it will fly in a straight line, either forwards and backwards, and keep you in the center of the frame. Yes, that's right, you can use the DJI Neo as the perfect vlogging camera without the need for any additional equipment or cameras. You can just use the DJI Neo to film yourself as you are walking along a beach just like this. Now, a really clever feature when you are using the DJI Neo with the DJI Fly app is with this button right here, we can enable the DJI Fly app to use the phone's microphone to record our voice. And the clever algorithm built into the actual DJI Fly app can remove the prop noise, so all you hear is the actual sound of my voice. Now, for full disclosure, the voice you have been hearing so far has been run through an editor in post-production just to make it sound a little bit better. If I speak right now, this is the native sound you get out the DJI Fly app when recording using the Neo and the phone's microphone, okay? So not quite as well, and you may want to play around with it in post, but just a really cool feature I wanted to make you aware of. Now, the three ways to operate the drone and use the built-in flight modes is, first of all, using palm control. This is where you toggle through the modes using the button on the top of the DJI Neo, then launch it from your palm, where it will go complete its quick shot, then return for a palm landing. Secondly, we can use the DJI Fly app completely standalone from the RC controller by connecting it via Wi-Fi and choosing and starting them using the DJI Fly app. Or lastly, you can use it with the DJI RC N3 controller, the RC N2 controller, or the DJI RC2 controller, which effectively turns this self-flying drone into a fully functional drone that we've come to expect from DJI. All the flight modes such as point of interest, spotlight, active track, and of course the quick shots that I'm going to demonstrate in this video can all be selected in the normal manner. And when we're using the DJI Fly app, we can hit the settings menu to customize all of these quick shots to our liking. With a bunch of parameters like adjusting height, distance. On the droning menu, we can choose whether the drone flies backwards at a flat level or raises, or of course, when we're using spotlight, we can adjust it whether we want to record video or whether we want it to take a photo if we stay stationary for over 3 seconds. All of this is customizable in the DJI Fly app when you are using it standalone. And all the settings you set when using the DJI Fly app will apply and save on the drone, so when you're using it in palm mode, all of your favorite settings will remain active. So let's demonstrate these smart flight modes one by one to show you exactly what they do and what they look like. Now, the next mode is Spotlight. Now, this is just like the standard DJI Fly App version. Essentially, the aircraft just rotates on its axis and you can move around and it will keep you in the center of the frame. Now, the final mode I want to show you is the follow feature. This is essentially different to focus track and spotlight, because what it will do is, although it can change on its axis just like it is doing now, if I move along the beach, as you can see, the drone is now able to actually follow me. Now, one thing that is really, really cool that I did notice when testing this is if I try to fool it and move fast and go back, there you go, I actually left the drone's field of view. And what I can see the drone is doing is it's actually turning around, looking for me, which I think is just absolutely incredible. I'm just outside of shot, okay? There we go, look, it's found me. It realised it was close. My God, sorry, I can't get my words out. That was actually so much fun. Let's just try that again. So let's just try and fool it, okay? So let's just go forward. There we go. It's lost me. What's it going to do? It's looking for me, look. How cool is that? Oh, there we go. It's like, hello. I found you again. That's really cool. So even though it completely lost my direction of travel, it's actually trying to find me. And I just think that's just pretty special, in all honesty. Now, of course, whilst the DJI Neo can rotate on its axis in follow mode, as you can see, and while I might want to walk backwards down the beach, it can of course follow me. One thing it can't do, of course, if I walk towards it, it cannot fly backwards, for a very good reason. Could you imagine me having it in follow mode and trying to land it on my palm, and if the drone could fly backwards, it would just be sort of flying away from me, resulting in quite a humorous comedy skit with me chasing my drone down the beach. So that's exactly why the drone can't fly backwards in follow mode. So to finish, let's just get some stock footage of the drone flying really, really close to the beach so you can get a good idea of the picture quality. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and watching how the DJI Neo can create some fantastic footage with its built-in smart flight modes, and hopefully you've got a good idea how you can use them to get some cool shots too. If you found this video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, see you again soon.